The injuries, the travel, the fatigue, it's all worth it for playoff hockey.
This is Game 5 of the Eastern Conference quarterfinal series between the Columbus Blue Jackets and the Colorado Avalanche. Offside, Columbus. McLeod takes possession of the puck. Out over the blue line. Advances the puck. Berry finds the loose puck. Colorado wins the race and beats out the icing call. Sephiroth, backhand shot. He jumps on it. Bobrovsky makes the pad save. Ahead to the neutral zone. Carlson grabs the puck. He dumps it. Colorado gets a hold of it. Colorado beats out the icing call. Colorado grabs it, brings it out, pass to head. Quick pass up. Jenner fires it hard. Moved ahead. Wenberg jumps on the loose puck, shoots it quickly. Varlamov gets a leg on it. Croft. Wenberg shoots the puck, blocked. Sephiroth takes control of the puck. Skilly. McKinnon with a wrist shot. Bobrovsky made the save. Moved up. McKinnon. Mitchell with the puck. Quick shot from the left. Colorado gobbles it up. He mows over Nick Foligno. Centers it. Moved ahead. Croft gets the loose puck. Boscheman. Fires hard. Savard gets in the way. Pass to head. Centered. Wrist shot. Varlamov gets a leg on it. Calvert takes possession of the puck. Boscheman runs over Calvert. Matthias gets hold of the puck. He breaks away. In front. Matthias with a wrist shot. Matthias, wrist shot. Bobrovsky turned the shot away.
The goalie says no to that shot.
Holden. Moved up. Pass back. Holden backhands it. Bobrovsky made the save. Moved ahead. Bort dumps the puck in. Como takes it. He dumps it in. Savard grabbed it. Sobbed. Jenner grabbed it. He dumps it. Sephiroth has it now. Atkinson. Putin. Atkinson moved it. Jack Johnson scores! Wow, what a wrister he uncorked on that goal.
That was an absolute laser beam that found the back of the net.
And that goal gives them the lead late in the first.
A slow start to this one, but hopefully things will pick up now that someone's on the board.
Backhand! Murray stops the shot. And number 6, Clarkson took the puck. The Blue Jackets stump it. Colorado in control now. Landeskog. Rink-wide pass. With a wrist shot. Stone cold by Bobrovsky. Gets the shot off. Bobrovsky. Great save.
And it was stellar footwork that got it done.
Right in front. Bobrovsky. Great save. Hartnell finds the loose puck.
Last minute of play in the first period.
Mitchell. Atkinson picks it off. Atkinson jumps on it.
The end of the first period is always interesting. This is when both teams will make adjustments to try to gain an edge in the second.
Family Carnival.
Hello and welcome back as the second period gets underway.
We've been treated to a close game so far.
McKinnon wins the draw. Bedker now has the puck. Brings it in. Bumped off the puck. Nice. Good hit. Bedker scooped it up. Turned away by Bobrovsky. Bedker shoots the puck. Wenberg. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. The Blue Jackets stump the... Winberg scores!
Great goal on the backhand. That's not easy.
Many say the backhand is the toughest save in hockey. The goalie has no clue where it's going, and many times neither does the shooter. Quick pass up.
41. Assisted by
In the corner, Clarkson. Played up. Johnson takes possession of the puck.
Bobrovsky.
Landeskog, wrist shot. Bobrovsky stacked him up. Boschman, one-timer. Saved by Bobrovsky. Through center. Duchesne gets thrashed. Dubinsky gets hold of the puck. Pad saved by Varlamov. Duchesne with the puck. Jack Johnson. Skilly pushes him. Pass back. Columbus puts its third line out. Over the line. Skilly grabs the puck. Skilly. Barry takes over. Bedker. Cannonading shot. Bobrovsky. Great save. Advances the puck. And that's icing. The faceoff goes to Colorado. Campbell gets in the way. Jones got the puck. Columbus finds it. Campbell gets checked. Quick pass up. Fires it. Varlamov gets the blocker on it. Moved ahead. Foligno picks up the puck from Bobrovsky. The faceoff goes to the Avalanche. Leg save.
He saw that puck all the way.
Johnson stands up Savard. Boschman scoops up the loose puck. Johnson stops the shot. Winberg gets hold of the puck. Jenner. He dumps it in. Colorado grabbed it. Jenner gets pushed.
He got his man that time.
Saad with the puck. Brings it out. Jerome McGinley scoops up the loose puck. He hits the post. Moved up. Out over the blue line. Hartnell grabs the puck. The Blue Jackets stump it in. Johnson got it.
Line two.
Soderberg dumps it in on the end boards. Colorado takes control. Bobrovsky stones him cold. Quick pass up. Passed ahead. Soderberg finds the loose puck. Becker gets hammered. Advances the puck. Columbus needs to be making a line change soon. McKinnon gets shoved. Murray jumps on the loose puck. Nick Foligno dumps it in. Holden grabs it. Grigorenko. Jones shoves him.
Some definite contact.
In over the line. Bobrovsky gets the wood on it. Croft grabs the puck. Saad. Through center. Fires! Off the post.
Second period.
Move back. Varlamov gets the wood on it. Holden with the puck. Saad levels him. Mitchell cannonading drive.
Team practice will be open to the public. Admission is by donation, with all proceeds going to local charity.
It's time for the third period.
An early goal would really put some life back into this game.
Or snuff it out completely. Berry scoops up the loose puck. Grigorenko with a wrist shot. Bobrovsky, great save.
Nice work to get in front.
Bobrovsky, close the door. Quick pass up. Bork jumps on the loose puck. Culver now has it. And we've got a A bit of a disagreement breaking out, Craig.
Yeah, they don't seem to be seeing eye to eye at the moment.
Fight was a draw, plain and simple.
Well, a good effort by both players, but not too much action to speak of.
Across.
To number 47.
DeGinla with the puck.
A 5-minute major for
Landeskog. Duchesne. Quick shot. Colorado takes it. Bobrovsky hangs on for the whistle. The action's about to start. McKinnon takes control of the puck. Shoots! Varlamov gets the blocker on it. Barry jumps on the loose puck. Zadorov whacks Dubinsky. Skilly takes possession of the puck. Zadorov over the line. Houghton takes control of the puck. Landeskog intercepts the puck. Winberg scooped up by Columbus.
Line 3.
Out of their defensive end, Duchesne with the puck. In the corner, Soderberg grabs the puck. Landeskog. Savard scooped it up. Mitchell brings it out, advances the puck. Clarkson gets the loose puck. Rene Bourque. Columbus takes possession. That's offside. About to drop the puck. Colorado grabbed it. Skilly has it now. McKinnon has it. Wrist shot. Bobrovsky gets the blocker on it. Dubinsky gets bumped off the puck. Colorado scooped it up. McKinnon. Colorado leaves this line out for a long shift. In the corner, Bedker. Moved up. Columbus dumps the puck in. Colorado picks it up. In the corner, Landeskog shoots the puck. Bobrovsky has faced a ton of shots in this game.
He's a big reason this team is playing as well as they are.
Jerome McGinley finds the loose puck. Savard. Out over the blue line. Played up. Saad is away. Wrist shot from the slot. He nails Landeskog. Johnson turns it over. The Blue Jackets come in offside. The players are lining up at the face-off circle. Campbell is your go-to guy in the face-off circle.
Jim, sometimes it can be underrated, but winning a draw can be crucial.
Campbell gets muscled off the puck. He gobbles it up. Holden. Cleared away. Colorado wins the race and beats out the icing call. Clarkson. The Blue Jackets stump it. Jumped off by Colorado. Clarkson dumped it in. Columbus puts its scoring line out. Jones takes control of the puck. Carlson, Skilly pushes him. Skilly. Bedker jumps on the loose puck. Soderberg. Jones gets a hold of it. Short pass. Hartnell gets pushed. Skilly gets the loose puck. Carlson gets checked. Quick pass up. Bourque knocks him off the puck. Colorado scoops it up. Hartnell mowed down.
He dropped the hammer on him.
McKinnon. gets pushed. They're playing like warriors. Petker with a wrist shot. Johnson gets in the way. Moved up. Over the blue line. Atkinson. Putin takes control of the puck. Dubinsky turns the puck over. It's over. Columbus gets the win and the series lead that goes with it.
They definitely didn't want to be down a game at this point.
Tonight's second star for Columbus, number 41. Tonight's second star, Columbus, number 38, Boone Jenner.
From Denver, Colorado, we'd like to thank you for watching. This is Jim Houston with Craig Simpson.
Bye for now.